best way to keep your outside of the house clean is general maintenance. It's very good to make sure that you prolong the life of the exterior surfaces by cleaning the outside of the house with simply just warm water and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. What you want to do is take a bucket of water and also a few generous drops of dishwashing liquid, and you can use a brush to wipe down the exterior surfaces of your home. It's important to not use any harsh chemicals because they may affect the vegetation around your house and be detrimental to the plants, flowers, or natural life around your house. A hose and a brush, that may be all you really need. Pressure washers are useful and effective for the exterior of the house. However, sometimes they can do more harm than good, especially if they are not used properly. One thing to always remember to do is to be sure to seal all openings, doors, and windows prior to your cleaning. Also, you should pick a warm and sunny day to do your cleaning.